Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here. I'm going to show you another interesting sport jacket for summer, something to keep you nice and cool. If you have to get a little bit dressed up, just like the video prior to this, I showed you a wool stretch sport coat with no lining. But today we're going to take a look at this one, 100% linen, and as well, no lining inside, completely unlined. Very light and comfortable for the hottest days of summer. So we're back at it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Phil Pravda here, SUITCAFE.com, and I want to show you this sport jacket that I'm wearing today. Super lightweight, 100% linen, and want to talk to you a few things about linen as well, because you know linen is a material that's made from plants. Linen comes from flax, and it's woven into a fabric, and it's super lightweight, has good characteristics for summer, warmer weather. But what some people don't like about linen is that it gets wrinkled. When you wear it and you move your arms, or you sit down in your car, or you sit for a long time, the jacket's going to get wrinkled. The back will have these sort of, horizontal lines because of the wrinkles. The elbows might show wrinkles there. You might get wrinkles on the shoulder area. But you want to know something? That's the beauty of linen. If you really don't like wrinkles and you want to look pressed and clean and crisp all the time, then linen might not be for you. But it gives a very worn-in, comfortable look after you wear it a few times. And I'm going to show you this jacket right here. This is a beautiful light blue with white pinstripes. You can wear different types of shirts with it. I'm wearing this red shirt. It's not really red. It's sort of like a raspberry color. It's actually cotton and linen together in the same shirt. So because this shirt has a little cotton, it doesn't wrinkle as much as the linen if it were 100% linen. So the jacket being 100% linen, I'm going to show you the inside of the jacket right now. Let me just quickly take this off so you can see the inside. And just like I showed you in the last video, here is another jacket that is completely unlined. So this doesn't have any lining inside. All the seams are completely finished, because when you have a jacket that's unlined, you have to finish everything so it looks beautiful when you take it off and you show somebody your jacket, or you're trying to sell them for a living. You have to have a nice, clean looking product just like this. Here the label says 100% Lino. Lino is linen in Italian. So this particular model, to keep it nice and lightweight and going along with this particular fabric, no shoulder pads here. There's nothing here, no shoulder pads, and easy to fold up, put in a bag. But remember, if you fold this up, this is going to wrinkle a little bit because it is linen, and that's the characteristic of linen. So hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick talk about the linen jacket here. And actually, another great thing about this particular jacket, if you want to see here, the pockets are what are called patch pockets. This is a pocket that is on the outside of the jacket. Let me move this sleeve around. It's on the outside of the jacket right here, and it's a patch pocket. I never really open my pockets. I don't use them on the outside. I do use them on the inside, but not on the outside. So this is what's called an open patch. It doesn't have a flap, and the patch is on the outside. So you have an open patch pocket just like that. This sort of fashion, which is from a long time ago, really, patch pocket, it's popular again, and it lends itself to fabrics that are slightly lighter. Lighter weight wool, linen, things like this, because when you put the patch on the outside, you're sort of doubling up fabric right in this area. So let's say this was something for fall winter and it was like a cashmere jacket. Well, to put a piece of cashmere on top of a piece of cashmere, that starts to get a little thick. So you wouldn't really put a patch pocket on a cashmere jacket, although there is summer cashmere. There's cashmere that's so thin and so light that you can wear it in the summer, but it still is a little warm, not like linen. So I hope you enjoyed this video about this linen summer jacket. Hopefully, if somebody wants a linen jacket, you could make some comments in the bottom of this video. If you'd like to make one just like this, I can make it for you. And it'll come out great. So hope to see you all again in the next video when we're back at it.